I prayed 5 times a day. I prayed tahajjud. I read Quran. Then why? Why am I being sent to Jahannam?
He prayed every prayer, read Quran, gave charity, yet she was ordered to the fire because of one sin. Who was this woman? And what sin did she commit? She looked like a woman of worship. She never missed salah. She prayed tahajjud. She fasted. She gave zakat. She carried a Quran everywhere she went. But Allah does not judge by what people see. Hidden beneath her worship was a single sin that outweighed all her good. She cursed with her tongue. She mocked her neighbors, insulted their families, spread rumors, destroyed reputations. She wounded hearts with the very tongue Allah blessed her with. She thought her worship would save her, and on the day of judgment, her salah was placed, her Quran was placed, her charity was placed. But then came the words she spoke: slander, insults, mockery, humiliation. The harm she caused outweighed years of worship. Your salah cannot save you if your tongue destroys others.